There you go.
Oh, we got it on video. I actually got that one on video.
I was trying to enjoy them. They at least could make them last.
He will fight. That little fat thing will fight.
Oh, yell at him.
He will fat. He will
Him and Uncle Bug wrestle.
Boom.
Boom. Boom.
All of that for that little thing. I expected it to at least be a big boom. Guess not. Hi, Dougie. He's like, I ain't with that right now.
Yeah.
Tell him. Tell him all about it. So you listen to me right now.
Oh yeah. If you don't listen to him, he goes and tells Nana.
Oh, yeah. Hey, what is it, baby? Ooh. Oh. 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 I ain't got him goofy at all. Even my arm's getting tired. They didn't go get my stand.
Where's it at?
In my room. I told them I want them to go get my tripod and they didn't go get it.
Oh, these mosquitoes gonna tear my face off. I didn't put no skin so soft.
These mosquitoes done ate me up for my lotion. They like dark meat.
Well, stand up. Oh, okay. Well, sit down then. Your legs is tired, huh?